Hey everybody, welcome back to IHI Power's educational video series on what it takes to turn waste wood and make it into electricity. Thus far in the process, we've shown you where we source this fuel, how we manage it out in the yard, the process for bringing it up and into the plant, the combustion of the fuel itself, followed by the gas path, out the stack, and steam cycles. We've also gone into the emission systems here at the plant and the cooling water with following water chemistry. In today's video, we're going to show you how we turn the mechanical energy from the back of the turbine and actually make the electricity that gets sent out to your home. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the generator.
Built in 1988, this particular unit is responsible for producing upwards of 7,000 gigawatt hours of electricity to the nearby communities. It's a little difficult to show you since it's housed within a building, so we figured we'd break it down to the basics and explain what the generator is actually doing. At the generator's core lies the rotor. This is coupled to the steam turbine and is spinning at 3,600 RPM. Field windings, or bars, on the rotor generate a magnetic field as the shaft is rotating. This magnetic field, when housed inside the stator, also comprised of copper bars or wires, known as the armature windings, generates electricity which is then pushed out to the load.
After leaving the generator, the voltage and electricity then comes through into what we call the MCC. Within this area, you'll find a 52-3 breaker. That's the main breaker for the generator. After passing across that breaker, the electricity is then dispersed to all the auxiliary equipment on site, as well as the T1 out of the substation.
The T1 is this site's main transformer. It takes the 15,000 volts supplied by the generator and steps it up all the way to 115,000 volts prior to going to the power grid.
And while it may not be as easy as plugging your phone into a piece of waste wood, the technologies and the processes that we've discussed throughout this series so far have been around for a very long time. In fact, IHI Power Services has over 30 years in experience in operating facilities just like this one, amongst other technologies. We truly hope that you've learned a few things that you'll be able to share with your family and friends. And on behalf of all of IHI, thank you for watching.